y'all know how I feel about saving money, and I mean, I'm seriously thinking about like canceling my subscription box now because of this. I mean, and you get to choose which box you want. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alexandra, also known as the Not So Evil Stepmother. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a second to do so. We are getting ready to have our 6K giveaway here very soon, which I am super excited about. Just to let you guys know, I did on Friday receive the box from Anne for you guys for that giveaway. It has got all kinds of goodies in it, so I cannot wait. We just have a couple more things that we're waiting to get here, and then we will get that started. I've also got some ColourPop cosmetics coming in, so we're gonna do a giveaway with that, and just all kinds of goodies. You guys know I love giving back to you guys, so I am really excited to share that with you and give back to you guys. But for now, let's talk about the Sephora Play Box, because you guys, I am seriously thinking about canceling my subscription now because of what I found last night. I mean, you guys know how much I love to save money, so hopefully I can save you some too in this process. So let's get on into all of that and unboxing this month's Sephora Play. So let's get into it. Alright, so I was actually planning on doing this unboxing a few days ago, but I'm glad that I didn't because of what I found last night. Alright, so as you guys know, I like to keep my finger on the pulse and know what's going on all the time. So last night I was on Sephora.com, and I do this randomly. I get on there and I just like to see what's new, what's releasing, what's coming out, what kind of deals they're having, that kind of thing. So when I did that and I was on there, I saw that they had Sephora Play Boxes for $9. And not only were they $9, but you can actually pick which boxes that you get. So you actually get to pick the products that you're going to be receiving, which is like, you know, amazing, because you never know what you're going to get in this box. It's just like, you know, they're hit or miss. But with this, you actually get to pick what products you're going to get, so you can make sure you get a good box, okay? Now, if you guys are wanting to know which boxes are the good boxes, I will get into that at the end of the video, and I will timestamp that right here for you because I want to get into the rest of this for you. But most of these boxes are previous boxes from the last few months. So if you've seen a box in the last couple months that you've really just loved and just, you know, wish you got or whatever, you can get that right now for $9. So basically $1 less than what you would have originally gotten it on the subscription. But it actually even goes even further than that. Now, if you're not new here, then I'm going to put a timestamp right here for you. So it's going to go on to this unboxing. But if you are new here, I want to try to save you guys money. You guys know, for those that have been here for a while, know I'm all about saving you guys money. And I want to make sure I can do that as much as possible. So I've got a little trick for you to get 3 Sephora Play Boxes for $17 plus another free product on top of that. If I got your attention, let's talk about it. All right. Rakuten, which used to be Ebates, and I don't know if I'm saying their new name right or not, but like I said, they just changed from Ebates to that new name, okay? So if you have not signed up for a Rakuten or Ebates account yet, I'm going to put a link down below in the description box. Use that link, sign up for an account. Once you do that and you're on their website or their app, search Sephora. It will come up this little thing right here, and then you just click the Shop Now button. Once you hit the Shop Now button, it will direct you right to Sephora.com's website, okay? So when you get on their website, then you want to go ahead and sign into your Sephora account if you have one, so you get your Sephora points, okay? And then go to New, and then I think Just Arrived, and then Makeup, and then you will see the Sephora Play Boxes along with any other newly arrived, newly released makeup that Sephora.com has on their website currently, okay? So at that point, you want to pick your 3 boxes. So pick 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, which would add up to $27, okay? And go ahead and select those boxes. And if you're wondering which boxes are the good ones, like I said, I will get into that here in a second and let you guys know which ones are the really good ones, because there are some really good ones that they have on there, okay? And then go ahead and use, and you can use a couple of codes. They have a couple different ones. So you can use Too Early and you'll get a Too Faced Damn Girl mascara for free. You could use Sublime and you'll get an Hourglass Luxe lip gloss for free. They also have an IT concealer, and all of those you can actually look at on Sephora.com's website. They'll tell you, you know, different codes that you can use to get more free products, okay? So go ahead, check out. Once you do that, you'll get an email from Rakuten and or Ebates telling you you received cash back, and you will also get another $10 cash back because you used my link. So you'll get the 4% cash back from Sephora, you'll get $10 from me, which will take your $27 purchase down to $17, okay? And you will actually get a check for that, like within a few days after you make that purchase. They will send that out. So go ahead, and when you sign up and register for your Rakuten/Ebates account, make sure you go ahead and put your address and all your information on there, and you can choose to be paid via PayPal or for them to actually send you a check. I have them send me a check, and then I just use my phone and scan it, and bam, it goes right in my bank account, ready immediately. So that's how you do that. Now let's open this Sephora Play Box because I'm really interested to see what's in here. There better be some really badass stuff in here, especially if they're selling boxes for $9 and I'm paying $10, and you guys get to pick which box you want. I'm like, you know, I want to pick my box because, I mean, Drunk Elephant, Bite Beauty, some of those products are just so amazing. All right, I had to get my scissors, so let's go ahead and get into this month's May 2019 Sephora Play Box. Now, if you guys remember, they used to have the cloth bags, but now they're doing the plastic ones, which is all right by me. I kind of like them because they're Ziploc, so you can use them for other stuff. Of course, they have their little Sephora Play Points card on here, and then when you open this up, it tells you about all the products that are inside. So I'm just gonna set that right there. Ooh, it looks like this is a pretty good box, you guys, just from what I'm seeing. I'm trying not to look, but you know. Okay. So if you guys remember, I think last month we got some Alterna Caviar shampoo and conditioner, which by the way I used, and I found out that was the one that I had used prior that I got at Ulta, and it is amazing stuff. So this month we got Caviar Anti-Aging Reconstructing Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. So I am really excited about that. I mean, it's pretty amazing product. Their Alterna Caviar products are pretty amazing. And let's see, it's kind of like a cream, as you guys can see right there. And their products all smell the same, quite frankly. Go ahead, I mean, why waste it, you know? Like I said, they have some really, really good products, especially if you have a lot of damage or breakage, or you need more protein in your hair. Alterna Caviar products are really, really good hair products. So excited to get that. Next, we have a Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. Now you guys know how much I love Sol de Janeiro's Bum Bum cream, so I am really excited to get this. And this is the same size that was in the BoxyCharm box last year. So, and this has got a seal on it. The BoxyCharm ones didn't have a seal on it, so that's pretty amazing. Oh no, I think it did. I can't remember actually. It's been so dang long. But I love these. And then last year, oh my God, that smells better than the Bum Bum cream. So I'll show you guys, it's like a white cream, and it is just so amazing smelling. Oh, I just wanna, I just wanna bathe in that. Oh my God, I love this cream for the summertime. It is so moisturizing, and it's just I love putting it on after I get out of the shower. It just lasts all day. I'm gonna go around sniffing my arm all day like a weirdo. All right, the next product we have, it's like a big thing I couldn't get out, is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. I have not gotten a chance to check this product out yet, So I did get their concealer, the It Cosmetics concealer. It is a little thick, but ooh, and I'm almost out of my under eye cream too, so that is exciting. Let's see. Oh wow, it's kind of hard to, oh, it's got like a weird, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a weird little interlocking system on there, like little teeth here on the bottom. And all I can smell is that Bum Bum cream, or excuse me, Dream Cream. Or no, what is that called? Coco Cabana cream. They called it Dream Cream. Yeah, Dream Cream. God, why can't I talk today? Oh, that smells so good. So it's kind of like a bluish, ooh, and that's thick. That's really thick. Dude, I might just go ahead and use this tonight. I mean, like, I'm right at the bottom of my eye cream right now, but that, I mean, It Cosmetics has some good products, so that's exciting. All right, the next thing we have in here is, it looks like a Smashbox Matte About You Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in Stepping Out. So that's kind of, I think, the smallest lipstick that I have ever gotten in Sephora Play. Like, normally they're like this size, you know what I mean? Like, this is like the tiniest lipstick ever, I think. Like, there's probably like just a couple of uses. So that's a really pretty, like, nudie brownish color. So I love those in the winter time, and I even love them in the summertime. I've got one on today from NYX, so love me some NYX lipsticks. All right, so we're gonna set that to the side. The next thing we had is some Benefit Bang Bad Gal mascara. So I do think, let me see. Oh, I just dropped it. Sorry, you guys. Yes, I do have this already, so I will show you guys this one and just show you guys it is the same exact product. So I'm gonna put this one in our giveaway stuff, and I'll show you guys what the little spoolie thing looks on there. And it's an alright mascara. It's not my favorite, but it's alright. It's not bad. You know, it's something when you run out of stuff you go to. Alright, and then last but not least, now normally they do this, they have 5 products, which they had, and then they usually have like a Sephora product or like a fragrance product. So this month is a fragrance product, and is the Victor and Rolf Magic Salty Flower. Now, I actually normally like this company and their perfumes, but we'll see. I'm kind of picky, but I normally like this company's stuff. Look at that. It's like not even close to full. I hate when they do that. Like, it's just a sample. Fill it up. Like, fill it up. How hard is it to fill it up? Oh my God. Oh, shit. Let me just go ahead and wear this out now. Look at that. That's 4 squirts and it's like almost gone. Ah, that is heavenly. That smells good. What was that called? Salty Flower. So I'll show you guys that. I don't know if you guys can see the writing on it. It's like very, very light. It's very light. So sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's talk about these previous month's boxes. Which ones you want, because there are some good ones on there. So one of them is the October box, and I think I can't remember what it's called, what they called it on there. I will put it up right here. But it's got the all-nighter spray in there. It's got First Aid Beauty. So a lot of you guys that were wanting the First Aid Beauty product from BoxyCharm, Like, I mean, it's a nice size product and it is completely full. I have it right here. It is the Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. I absolutely love this thing. And it is, I mean, the whole box is worth it just for this product, just this product alone. But they also have the All-Nighter Spray, which is amazing. The First Aid Beauty. They have a Benefit Brow product. They have the Bare Minerals Lip, and I absolutely love this. Love this, love this. And I'm just saying, Bare Minerals actually charges for these samples at the Bare Minerals store, so just to let you guys know about that. But it's a really good lipstick. I do like it, okay? Another one that is a really good one to get is the Your Future Beauty or Your Beauty Future box. It has got Drunk Elephant. It's got the Bite Beauty lipstick in there, which I have right here. I didn't get the Drunk Elephant product, so I might just get that box just to get it. It's also got a Sunday Riley product in there. The Beauty Blender Cleanser, which I actually have right here, and I haven't opened it yet because I actually have the Beauty Blender Cleanser, the bigger one, right here, and it's almost, I've had it for a while, like it's almost out, like I'm almost to pan, like there's just some left on the outskirts. So as soon as this runs out, I'm gonna actually drop this in here and use it the same way. And it's an amazing brush and beauty blender cleanser, so just to let you guys know that. So that box is totally worth it. They also have in that box the Mary Jo shampoo and conditioner, which I told you guys about, I think, what was that, our February favorites video. Just an amazing shampoo and conditioner. So if you're interested to watch that video, I will put it in the cards right there. Another good one that they have is the Cheers to Beauty. It's got the Tristique lip, and I really love this lip. It's just got like a little bit of a peachy color, like not a lot, it's just a little tint of color, but it's a great like lip gloss kind of thing. It just really keeps your lips very moisturized. I've also got a Too Faced primer in there, and I was actually very surprised at how full that primer had. Then they have the Love Struck Beauty box that's got some Milk Cosmetics in there. It's got some Bite Beauty. That one's a pretty good box. So there's quite a few boxes to choose from, you guys. So definitely take a look at that. And I mean, $9 is totally worth it. For some of these products, it is absolutely worth $9. So just saying. And then if you can always do my 3 boxes for $17 that we talked about just a minute ago. So there's always that. I'm gonna be smelling my arm like all night now. I don't know which one smells better, the Bum Bum Cream or the perfume. They're just both amazing. Like, this is probably the best smelling box that I've ever gotten. So it's like, on one hand, I want to cancel it, especially if you get to pick your box for $9 later on. But at the same time, they've really stepped it up and have had some really amazing boxes with some amazing products. Like, I love every product in this box, so I'm just saying. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out. Or give it a thumbs down. Honestly, either one helps me out just the same. It all goes in YouTube's algorithm the same. Anyways, I did want to give a real quick shout out to what is it, Audrey Albanese, and I'm sorry, sweetie, if I'm chopping your name up. So she did donate to my PayPal account, which of course always goes back into this channel and the giveaways and stuff that we do on this channel, and lighting and cameras and that kind of stuff. So I already got the lighting and cameras and all that taken care of, so it went straight to our giveaway stuff, our ColourPop Cosmetics thing, that kind of thing. So just to let you know, if you do donate at all to my PayPal account, that is exactly where it goes. It goes right back to you guys and this channel always. Every single last dime of it does. So I really do appreciate for those of you guys that do that. And then of course, remember, we are doing our Sunday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys get a chance to join us for that, I would really appreciate it. I love to see everybody there. And we just talk about whatever comes up. It might be makeup. It might be baby mama drama. It could be God knows what. So anyways, I love you guys so much. I'm going to put some videos right here for you if you would like to watch some more content from me. And I will see you guys later. Bye.